fishermen catch billions of them every year. Now imagine giant boats chasing them in the night, using fire to lure them in. They aren't caught with high-tech nets or robots, but with light, timing, and ancient techniques. Timing, and ancient techniques. Then, these same fish are rushed into modern factories and turned into meals for millions. And that's just the beginning. From sea to skillet, and even sausage, today we dive into one of the most fascinating seafood to factory stories you've never seen. Once inside the factory, sharp knives slice off the heads and fins. Next, workers wash every fish to remove tiny scales or dirt. After cleaning, the fish go into a steamer. It cooks them just enough to keep their natural shape and flavor. No heavy seasoning, no frying, just heat, steam, and skill. Canned flying fish is perfect for quick meals. It's healthy, protein-rich, and surprisingly tasty. The meat is sweet, soft, and blends well with sauces. In Japan, flying fish are often grilled on charcoal. Some are dried for storage, then used in broths or soups. This humble fish has become a flavor-packed staple in coastal homes, tied to tradition and family meals.